Hello everyone, I hope you all are safe and doing well. So in this video, we will talk about ban on cryptocurrency in India, that why this news in circulation and what is going to be happening in near future. So let's see. So here you can see the article published in The Hindu. So in this article, it is said that the government is has planning to ban bitcoins and set up its own official digital currency. So let's see all this in a detailed manner. So government has decided to introduce a bill for digital currency by the RBI and banning of private cryptocurrencies during this budget session, means 2021. The bill also seeks to prohibit all private cryptocurrencies in India. However, it allows for certain exceptions to promote the underlying technology of cryptocurrency and its uses. And third thing is, the bill appears to be based on the recommendation given by SC Garg committee. So government has not taken this step by itself but on the recommendation of SC Garg committee formed by the center itself, and committee has recommended the banning of cryptocurrencies and allow an official digital currency of government in India. So if we talk about the background of digital currency in India, and RBI was warning all the stakeholders and everyone, every individual that don't indulge in any sort of digital currency business. And from 2017 onwards, RBI was warning, and officially in 2018, RBI introduced a bill called Crypto Token and Crypto Asset Banning Control and Regulation Bill 2018. And through this bill, they ban all sort of cryptocurrencies and their trade. To this ban, market was in chaos, and they were talking about that it is a violation of Article 191G, and we will talk about 191G in a further. And and there is also a recommendation by an interministerial committee on Feb 2019, and it also released a report recommending for certain measures in related to cryptocurrencies and also to completely ban here. So here you can see it is also said that the completely ban of all sort of private cryptocurrencies. So first, a SIGA committee has recommended to ban all sort of private cryptocurrencies, and here is interministerial committee also recommended to ban all sort of private cryptocurrencies in India. So if we talk about the stand of Supreme Court in this matter, as you all know that when this cryptocurrency was banned by RBI, then all the stakeholders has filed many cases in Supreme Court, and officially in a case called the Internet and Mobile Association of India versus RBI, the Supreme Court deliberated on cryptocurrencies and struck down the circular. But Supreme Court also said a very important thing that according to Article 191G, those who merely consist it is an hobby, they don't have any right to claim it under Article 191G. And why Supreme Court said this? Because Article 191G only cover trade, occupation, profession or business. So that's why RBI, so that's why Supreme Court said that only those persons who are engaging in trade, occupation, profession, and business of the cryptocurrency, only they have the right to claim it under Article 191G, and not those persons who are merely consist it as a hobby. So Supreme Court also said that RBI was in its right to issue the circular in fulfillment of its objective under law. Mean RBI is the supreme regulatory authority of India in the financial matters, and it is the responsibility of RBI to do some measures in this regard and also to enliven the interest of all stakeholders in this matter. That's why RBI is taking measures in this regard and introducing this bill. Till now, only this much of information is important for you, and if any further development in this regard happen, then we will share with you through our videos. So I hope you found it informative, and we will see you in the next video. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.